Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. It's Friday as usual and it's time for a collaboration from Rukia. She's going to be preparing meatloaf, as you can see on the screen. From Husna, it's going to be minced meat pizza without cheese. Please make sure you check my description box for the direct links to their channels. Thank you so much, and let's get to my video. And today guys, we are going to be making homemade calzones or pizza pockets. You're going to need 4 cups of flour according to my measurements, and you're going to need a half a cup of oil. I won't be using all of it. You need 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and you also need enough warm water. So guys, the first step, we are going to need our dough. So I'm going first to mix the dry ingredients together, the yeast, sugar, salt, and our flour, just like that. Then guys, we are going to add in our warm water gradually. Remember, your water has to be warm, and we're going to add it gradually as we need our dough. So the moment you feel you need a bit more water, you just add in. Then guys, over here I'm adding in oil, a bit of oil, just as you can see. So guys, it's just kneading your dough like you just need normally. You're just going to add water whenever you feel you need water. Don't put in a lot of water at first, it won't be good. So yeah, just as I'm doing, and you need to find a dough that's looking like this. It needs to be super soft, just like the normal pizza dough. And I'm going to add in a bit of oil inside my bowl. Then I'm going to put my dough inside, and the next step, I'm going to cover it with a cling film, just like that, to make it warm, to keep it warm inside the bowl. And I'm going to give it about an hour for it to proof, because yeah, Nakuru is cold. Our dough is proofing. We're going to be preparing our sauce. On my spices, I have curry powder, paprika, and turmeric powder. Over here I have grated tomatoes, onion, 1 onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Then I have mixed herbs, and I have my tomato paste. That's all you're going to need for your pizza sauce. Now guys, the first step is to oil your pan, just like that. You can use olive oil, you can use any oil that you like. Then the next step is to put in your grated mixture. Remember, I have 1 onion, just a small one. I have 3 tomatoes, and I have 3 cloves of garlic for the taste. Then after your sauce has simmered for a bit, you're going to add in your spices. You can add in any spices you feel you like and I've not mentioned. Then guys, over here I'm adding my mixed herbs. If you have oregano on its own, you can add it. And I added a bit, like a teaspoon. Then over here I have 1 full tablespoon of tomato paste, so that I can get a really nice color on my sauce and also make it thick. Then guys, this next step is totally optional. It's not a must, but I like adding tomato sauce inside my sauce, my pizza sauce. I feel like it gives it like a different kind of taste. You can try it and let me know how you find it. And our sauce is basically done guys. I'm just going to let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's a bit thicker, and it's done. Now guys, on to our next step. It's about 1.5 hours later, and this is how my dough is looking. So if you're in a warmer place, I think it even 45 minutes or 30 minutes will be enough. And yeah, so guys, the next step, I'm just going to divide my dough, and I'm going to show you just like that. And I got about 6 round balls. That's what my recipe should give you. Then over here I have mozzarella cheese. I just grated. This is our sauce, the one we just made. This is how it's looking. Then I also have some bell pepper over here. I have the yellow and the red one. And guys, I also have onions that I just chopped like in circular shapes. And this is my minced meat. It's already cooked. I'll leave a video link up there to see how I make my minced meat whenever I want to stuff it inside something. Then our next step is to roll out your dough, just like that. It's really soft, so just be careful. Then guys, the next step, you're going to take your sauce and you're going to put it on just one side of your dough, just as I'm doing on the video. Then you're going to layer your meat. Also guys, you can use any type of, you can use sausages, you can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use anything that you like. I just decided to use minced meat, but it's not a must. You can use any topping, just like pizza. Yep, you're just going to layer it like that. Everything that you're going to be putting, you're going to put it on one side of your dough. I hope you're getting. So over here I'm adding in onions, a bit of onions. Also, it's not a must. You can put any toppings that you like, guys. I wish I had sweet corn. I would have put, because I really love, but I didn't have. Then the next step, I'm going to put in my bell peppers. This is just to add color, and I also love bell pepper. I love the taste. Yeah, so that's our next step. Then guys, my favorite part, the cheese. You're going to put cheese, the amount that you like, but you know, the more the better. So now guys, after you've layered your cheese like that, you're going to take that other side of your dough, and that's what you're going to use to cover this one side that has all your toppings. I hope you've gotten my point, guys. Then we are going to use a fork to just seal it, just like that. It's really easy, guys, and your dough should be soft. If you follow my recipe, you'll get a really soft dough. Just like that, guys, everything is sealed. And now I'm doing this on top just to release the air when you're cooking your pizza, just as we do to the normal pizza. I hope you've gotten that part, guys, because that's the most important one when you are covering your pizza pockets. So I'm just going to repeat the same process, and I'm now going to put it on my tray, because it gave me a hard time to remove from my surface to put it on my tray, because as I said, guys, my dough was really soft. And we are just going to repeat the same process, and now I'm just going to let you watch and learn. So guys, I hope you've seen how easy this is. It's not hard at all. It's really easy. And please, if you have any question, guys, please ask me on the comment sections. I get a lot of people asking me questions on my Instagram, and it's okay, but that's why there's a comment section down below, and the interaction really matters in help of supporting my channel. So just please ask on the comment section. Don't forget also to like this video and share. Also guys, I have a few people trying out my recipes. Please tag me on your Instagram. That would really help in support of my channel. Also guys, don't forget to check my description box for Rukia and Husna's video. You're also going to learn a lot from them. And yeah, let's continue with our video. So guys, over here I'm going to brush some oil on top of our calzones because we need a really good golden color. Then I'm going to put it inside the oven. Make sure your oven was preheating before you put it. Like when you're doing your work, when you're assembling this, make sure you have preheated your oven at 180 degrees. Then you're going to let them cook for about 45 minutes. That's what our first batch is doing right now. It's cooking as we are making the next ones. So yeah, 45 minutes and they'll be okay. Make sure to brush some oil on top for that golden color. And yes guys, we have come to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you get to try it. It was really yummy. And yeah, this is what we ended up with. That's our pizza pocket. If you have any request, if you have any recipe you'd like me to try, don't forget to mention it in the comment section and I will be very happy to try it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still